and Madlomo will move forward with their plan to pay for damages and lobola. Hloso goes to Babamncane with the theory that Umthunzi is holding Madlomo prisoner at home. That's why angasebenzi emsebenzini. Dinanga phones Babamncane and Hloso snatches the phone and hears that Umthunzi wants to pay ilobola for Madlomo. He lost it, Bizushana Namabini, and then went home to apologize to Dintle. Now he wants to be a good husband and fix things because you can see that Madlomo suyashada nomthunzi. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Umthunzi noMadlomo, they sit down and talked. Madlomo reassured him, it's not that I'm not sure about us. I've been praying about us and I know what you and I are meant to be because Kulega, I get so much peace. And so Umthunzi wants to know what does your family expect from me for my damages? Madlomo is like, hey, yes, and they don't even know what I've met someone new, let alone that I'm pregnant. So I need to tell them Zobachela. And then Umthunzi worried who's going to represent me because umndeni cut me off, especially after what happened with my mother. So anginayo nje umndeni. Umadlomo is like, no, don't worry about this. We're going to fix it. So Kumna Nobabu Spego, their pastor, to get some church members to represent Umthunzi at the Dlomos Gutayo Koka ama damages. At years in Don Kataze, we're going to build our own family. Family is not just blood. Yo, Gutukumnandi, Kwamadlomo Nomthunzi. Bacheza get to new beginnings. Closer now is busy looking for Madlomo Laundromat, asking that guy who works there, "Gutu Madlomo no akekho." Then it goes to Babamncane with the theory Guti Madlomo hasn't been to work in a very long time. So when I'm phonel and tell her go to Funukulmanai so that I can see her. Babamncane like, no, I'm not going to lie for you. At when you need to do this because Umthunzi is holding Madlomo prisoner. Umthunzi is forcing her to take leave. When does she come to work? Babamncane like if Madlomo was pregnant, maybe she just wants to rest at high. That's not what it is. People tend to say we did not see the signs. Umthunzi, I'm telling you. Babamncane feels good time, man. This is too much. When it's like now he's obsessed with Madlomo. And then he gets a call from Udinganang. He tried to ignore it. Umthunzi insisted that he answers the call. And then Dinonga said something and Babamncane was like, you know what, I don't have time now, can we talk later? Hloso snatched the phone from Babamncane and spoke to Dinonga saying and then found out Umthunzi wants to pay ilobola. Yo, wasangana uHloso and told Babamncane, you're not going to tell me about this. Babamncane because how was he going to tell him knowing he's going to lose his mind? Hloso lost his mind. Yes, it's crazy the way he's losing his mind. He goes by the bins. Ukshana nama bin, upanchana nama boxy. This can't be happening. This can't be happening. Kanjani because you also sold your cars to pay for lobola's dintle for lobolaga dintle, while Ingane now does not even have ama fees for university. Then he goes home. Seeing Guti izinto zakhe ziyashuka, Madlomo is now getting married to Mthunzi. He goes home, tries to sort himself out now, hugging Udintle, being all nice, saying Guti he wants to apologize for the hitting her. Udintle is even surprised Guti Msebenzi ka Dr. Mark in there. Ati no man, I just realized Guti has a nguzu suklungu and I want us to start afresh and fix this, fix everything that happened. Sakhe kabusha man, Seven like work together, mina nawe to build this family, to build this home. Udintle is happy because thinking Hloso has come to his senses. Can't Hloso is hurt this thing Madlomo. The next thing umuntu ufuna noba intimate. This whole time he's always been ekwatile engabambeki ufuna ukushaya umoya this and that. Kanti manje ukhipha stress nje so Madlomo is getting married to Umthunzi and that's driving him insane. And then Utabilita Taps went to see her and then she tells Taps Victor is the one that killed his wife. He was driving that night that his wife died and he moved her to the driver's seat to make it look like it was her that was driving. What Taps is shocked but serious area so when get me a good lawyer else I'm going to expose this information in a but what Lorian Hore so ya picture fella here Lemutu who is a murderer. Taps is shocked with Mama. Maramude, are you serious? Now you are blackmailing me, ne? Ari yes, tapela go blackmail, you can see it the way you want, but nah, you know, kupela too so fair. Yo, what's it? The nerve, yes, Talita. Kuri, she never stops. And then Taps goes to see Victor to ask him about this whole thing. Victor agrees and admits to doing that and saying that he did it to protect Wanahai, didn't want to go to jail, and Wanahai would have no one to raise her. Then Taps says, this is hard. It's tough. Bridget comes and Victor tells him, yes, there's something I need to tell you. You should have told Khalil first. But Tutal has been blackmailing about this whole thing that I had a hand in my wife's death. I moved her to the driver's seat and all that. I covered it up. Bridget was shocked but said that, you know what, I don't blame you. There's a whole lot of things that we do for the ones we love. At times we are forced into situations where there's nothing we can do. So I understand why you did it. And now, Victor says, Thapelo did not have to protect me, but he did. Don't confuse this whole thing. Taps is just feeling bad. Mama Hai is trying to fix the mess that Mama Hai did. And then Victor tells Bridget, the way this whole thing was, Talisa was blackmailing me, Kayona, before the whole video thing. I even considered suicide and had recorded a confession for Halalelo. Where's my phone? Bridget is now like, oh, Gifila Halalelo. Because Victor said, Yati, I need to sit her down and explain the whole thing to her. Auntie Halalelo is already watching the video. So everything confession ya Papa Haye, or Papa Haye wanted to unalive himself, so that because Talita was blackmailing him, but left the whole thing. I didn't want you to be left stranded and not have anyone to raise you. I hope Halalelo forgives him, hey, because it's sad, yes, but he knew that if he goes to prison, who was going to raise him, and he did raise her well. And then Poet, family is disappointed. Poet is unemployed yet again. Contract was clearly stating Jose not deceit or else contract was so a king company that repossessed the car and cancelled his contract is at right, and there's nothing they can do about it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.